Getting the unable to verify update error on your Apple Watch. It usually happens because of a weak network or an interrupted update. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this issue step by step. Let's get started. Before we start the main process, make sure of these basic things. Make sure your Apple Watch has at least 50% battery and is connected to its charger. Your Apple Watch and iPhone need to be connected to a stable and same Wi-Fi network. Keep your Apple Watch and iPhone close to each other during the entire update process. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check storage. First, open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on General. Check available space. If needed, delete some apps or media. Solution 2. Unpair and repair Apple Watch. Grab your iPhone. Open the Watch app. Tap My Watch from the bottom of the screen. Now tap General. Scroll down to the bottom. Here, tap Storage. Now tap WatchOS. Tap Delete. Solution 3. Force Restart Apple Watch. Press and hold both the side button and the digital crown button simultaneously until the Apple logo appears. Now hold up and wait to restart. After restarting, try to update your Apple Watch again. So that's how you can fix the unable to check for update error on your Apple Watch. I hope this video was helpful. Got any questions? Just leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay safe and goodbye.